Hola clase, soy la profesora Nicholson y voy a ser tu profesora por las últimas 4 o 5 semanas del semestre. So, hi class, I am going to be your professor for the next 4 or 5 weeks here in Spanish 111. I received a call on Monday that I would be taking over this class. I really don't have any details about that other than I've been working behind the scenes, looking at what's been graded, what activities you've completed, and basically where you're at in the class. So I'm going to continue on leaving or starting back where it looks like your previous professor left off. I want to make this a seamless transition. So just to let you know, my Spanish lab, you're going to log in the same way you did before. You're going to complete activities and they're going to be due on Sunday at 11:59 p.m. like you're used to. You'll also go and log into Moodle and look at the videos and tutorials and things like that. The only difference is that now your videos will be starring me, Profesora Nicholson. Okay. In addition, I have not included my email in this video, but I'm going to place my email address on Moodle so that if you need to contact me for any reason, I am available. Remember that I'm here for any questions that you have, really and truly. So please don't hesitate to contact me. So finally, I wanted to add a little bit in this video about me because typically at the beginning of the semester, most of us do create a video to talk about who we are, the things we like to do, and some of our background. And since I'm starting midway through and I know you've sort of formed a relationship with your previous professor, it's nice to let you all know a little bit about me so that you feel more comfortable with me. So let's see, what can I tell you about me? I've been teaching for about 13 years now at college level. I've only taught college at various places across Western North Carolina, South Carolina, and Tennessee. I went to UNCA for my bachelor's degree in Spanish, and then for my master's, I went to the University of Tennessee. I received a Master's of Arts in Spanish with a minor in Portuguese, and I've also studied French and Italian. One of my hobbies is knitting, which I get made fun of about a lot, but I really do enjoy knitting. And finally, I do have a little dog named Coco, which is in Spanish the word for coconut. Her full name is Coconut, but I do just call her Coco. She is a Westie, a West Highland White Terrier. And if you've seen the Caesar dog food commercials, she looks like that dog, but probably not as clean and fluffy. Not as much of a show dog. She likes to get out in the dirt and play around and that sort of thing. And the reason I sort of mention her, one, because she is like my baby, but also because from time to time you'll probably hear her barking in the background or she's laying down here at my feet, basically almost to the point of snoring. So you never know, you could hear anything here at my house while I'm making these videos. So clase, I'm glad to be on board. I'm glad to have you on board, and I can't wait to help you and see you through what's left of Spanish 111. So adios.